Well, it's the morning time. Everybody's kind of slow today. Oh, vacation mode. Oh, okay. Playing puzzle. At least the sideways rain stopped.
Yeah, the thunder and the lightning, the sideways rain.
It's crazy.
Pretty interesting.
It's crazy. So, yeah, we're gonna take it easy today. Travel day tomorrow. Oh, Jake is showing you his guns. It's so humid. We're getting fog inside of our systems. Our leveling jacks freaked out a little bit this morning because of the rain and moisture.
You guys can play over there at the beach or whatever.
Whew.
And I'm going to
Drop Macy dog off. Oh my gosh, these crazy kids. Macy's gonna go get a bath today, and then she's gonna come back. Yeah, been an eventful stuff. Just so sticky, and the rain last night. We've got moisture in our dashboard, and our leveling jacks kind of freaked out because they got a lot of moisture in the controls. So we had to
get crabs under the tires.
Crabs under the tires.
Sand is on everything.
Yeah, yep, sand is at. I think I might have a pearl for me.
Gross. Oh, that's not mine. That's yours.
But we're taking it easy today. We've got a long driving day tomorrow.
Yeah.
There's a whole lot of nothing between here and the Memphis KOA we're staying at.
Nothing.
And we tried to look for little campgrounds and stuff like that. There are a few, but we're just going to do it. It's more than I like to drive. It's almost 400 miles.
400 is usually your max.
The max in a day, because that will take us 7.5, 8 hours.
Yeah. Well,
So,
the kids just get sick of sitting.
Yeah, they get and grumpy. But we're going to take it easy today. I'm going to take Jake and Paige to the beach. Jen is going to drop Macy off to get a bath.
What's my name?
Jen or Jandis.
You almost called me Janice, and you like
Jennifer!
Jandis.
Daddy, why do you call me Jane?
Because my sister is named Jennifer too. Travel over 1,000 miles to go to a special beach. Device. Travel over 1,000 miles to go to a special beach. Electronic device. Will you just put yours away?
I'm just hydrating.
Yeah.
You liar! I saw your phone on. You were ding dong you were ding dong scrolling your Instagram.
Oh, called out.
Guys, I'm on Facebook. Thank you very much.
It's called Facebook.
Your eyes are teetering.
Or you're taking your earphones.
Okay. Well, I want to go to the beach.
We're going to the beach. We're going to the beach. We're going to the beach. We 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 going to the beach.
Hey Paige, do you know where the spray sunblock is?
Oh yeah. Hey.
It's in the bathroom.
No.
Oh, you did get it out?
Yeah. Right here.
I was just say, why didn't we leave it in the bag? Got it.
Because we going to the beach. We going to the
Let's
beach.
go get our buckets.
Okay.
We can put them in this basket right here.
Oh my gosh, we have a catastrophe. I slipped on our stairs. Really scummed up my heel. Ugh. So gross. Jake whacks his head and I trip and scrape my heel. This is fantastic. Paige is getting me some Band-Aids. Oh boy, what a fun day. We're getting ready to go. Paige got me all fixed up. Nurse Paige cleaned up the blood.
He slipped on this. You slipped on the stairs.
I did, yeah. She got me all fixed up. Now we're gonna go hang at the beach. Go have fun. This is this Hancock? I think it's Hannock. Thunderstorm and rain every time, bro. You are off the chain. They're out of control. And this girl right here, she's all clean. She feels good. She's getting yum yums. Oh, they're out of control. We are locking down. Got to head out early. Got a long driving day tomorrow. Almost 400 miles. About 100 more miles than I like to do. But it is what it is. We are, oop, there we go, lock that down. We are wrapping up.
I'm really happy we're leaving Mississippi tomorrow. I'm done with this. Being in a 60-mile-per-hour wind gust thunderstorm in a camper isn't that fun. Look, Paige is scared. Macy's just done with it. Brian's watching the Weather Channel in the outside like crazy.
Oh, yeah, even the regular TV isn't working.
Yeah, so anyway, we're done. We're ready to leave.